Here we come to the elevator at the Eastmark Center, which is, I believe, part of the Texas A&M Engineering, but I'm not sure though. But anyways, look what we have here. It's got an EPCO WS Halo line. How tall this is. This is a Houston elevator, too. Out of respect to the person in the front desk, we're not gonna get off here, so we're gonna go back down. See if we can get a silent listen to the motor. I want to hear that motor going up. Here we go. Listen. Some nice leveling. Check this out. It's got the old bumper. And you could also close the door by pushing the floor that you're on. Anyways, there's your fixture. Got a still picture of that. And there's your phone, and it's about to fall out. Alright, let's go back down to one end there. Again, I love the motor on this elevator. Alright, we're at one. Let's watch it close. Take a picture of the call station. Wow, this elevator is just truly epic. Definitely one of the best finds in College Station. Definitely worth checking out if you're in College Station. So, with that said, that is going to be it.